Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change video call background color in our Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. How to change our video call background? We need to go to options, then we're looking for advanced features here, and here we have video call effects. In this hidden menu, we can change our background color, or we can choose one from here. We have a custom palette here, and we can always make our custom background. So don't forget to save, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.